How to express preference, agreement, disagreement, purpose. Expressing preference. To express preference, we can use phrases like I like or I prefer. Here are some examples. I like chocolate ice cream more than vanilla. I prefer to watch movies at home rather than in a theater. Agreement. To express agreement, we can use phrases like I agree or that's true. Here are some examples. I agree with you. That movie was really good. That's true. The weather is really nice today. Disagreement. To express disagreement, we can use phrases like I disagree or that's not true. Here are some examples. I disagree with you. I don't think that restaurant is good. That's not true. I don't think it's going to rain today. Purpose. To express purpose, we can use phrases like in order to or so that. Here are some examples. I'm studying English in order to get a better job. I'm going to the store so that I can buy some milk. Exercise. Complete the following sentences with the correct phrase.